In a quiet suburb, two avid gardeners, Betty and Carl, turned their yards into battlegrounds during the annual Great Gardening Competition. Betty, known for her prize-winning roses, was determined to outshine Carl, who was equally committed to his vibrant vegetable garden. The tension escalated when Carl decided to plant neon-colored carrots, claiming they would attract more attention. Not to be outdone, Betty filled her garden with garden gnomes dressed as famous celebrities, but Carl retaliated by staging a gnome heist, leaving only one gnome behind with a sign saying, "Gone to Hollywood." This prank sparked a series of outrageous mishaps. Betty replaced Carl's prized carrots with fake plastic ones, while Carl painted her roses bright blue. On competition day, Betty unveiled a giant sunflower that towered above Carl's garden, only to have it collapse, revealing that it was merely a cleverly disguised inflatable. As the judges approached, they couldn't contain their laughter. In the end, both were disqualified for unsportsmanlike behavior. The punchline? They realized the real prize was the joy of gardening, so they merged their gardens into a whimsical landscape, complete with a gnome film set,